Not every strategic planning workshop needs to be about reinventing the wheel. Often what they are about is simply checking in on where we're already at with our business and looking at whether we need to tweak anything or maybe evolve things for the next horizon. So one of the tools I use that is what I call a fundamentals heat map. That does require a little bit of work ahead of the strategic planning workshop. But what I like to do is get printed on big butcher's paper, probably as big as you can get it, some of the fundamentals of the business, things like our vision, our purpose, our brand promises, our values. And we get that printed on big pieces of butcher's paper. We put that up around the room and then we hand people some sticky dots. And the sticky dots are either going to be red, orange or yellow, or green. And essentially what we get them to do is go around, have a look at the fundamentals of the business and put dots on different parts of the fundamentals of the business that we either go, nah, not aligned, don't think that's still right for us now. Green, yeah, we think we're bang on with this, we're doing a good job with this and we still think this is where the business needs to be focused, or meh. Where it might be, we're not quite sure where this fits in, we don't understand this, or we're not living this, or maybe we need to review this. And so what you do at the end of that exercise, and I give people probably 15 minutes, a good one to do over morning tea, to be completely honest. Give them as many sticky dots as they like. They walk around the room and then you sit back at the end with the team and you go, where are all the green, the red, or the meh dots? And that can be used to then drive the next phase of discussions. Obviously, if it's yeah, we need to make sure we're still reinforcing and living that. If it's red, we probably need to talk about this in a bit more detail. Is it still right for the business? Something needs to be changed. Or if it's meh, we probably need to rank them in importance, I suppose, as to whether we need to do some more work on that and give the team clarity on the fundamentals of the business.